folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, yesterday we had that big old gap up overnight, then everything retraced right on down to that 586, so that was kind of crazy to watch, and then we chopped for most of the day till the end of day run. Flow was mixed the entire day. We didn't quite get to that 593 anywhere late in the day, so just keep an eye on that. Let's see what happens there. We had a small green DEX, so now we're just going back and forth, green, red, green. Nothing there that gives us a consistent trend. Whale target still 575 to 595, so they've adjusted just a little bit. That's a pretty decent range. Let's see how much of it we can cover today. We'll keep an eye on it to see if any higher whales show up. And if not, then we know that we're going to cap out around 595. 597.8 sig print, mark it on your chart. Remember, don't worry about bull bear. Just mark it on your chart as an important point of price contention. We have moved down now on our largest ag by about $5. We were at 593, now we're at 588. So just keep an eye there. Getting pretty thin to the downside right now. They're starting to thin out just a little bit. Nothing too concerning yet. Do remember that it is the end of the month, and this is subjective, but sometimes we see those end of the month flows and the market rips in the last 20, 30 minutes or so. So keep an eye there. Checking our ag. Remember, Fridays are always a little bit of wonky, probably due to some hedging and rehedging. 595, we're under that currently. So we're sitting right around, let me check real quick. We're sitting right around 589 in the pre-market session. So 580 is our biggest pull still on the ag. We've got to break 595 or 585, sorry, to get up there. So 585, hold on, I'm just losing my own damn mind here as we're going along. We are above 585. My eyes are getting old. Let me zoom in so I can see what I'm doing. On the ag, 585 gives us room all the way up to 596. We lose 585. We're going down to 580. We're at 589 right around here in the pre-market. Now let's check Fridays real quick. Usually they're about the same as what the ag looks like on a Friday, but we will see. We'll zoom out, then zoom back in so we can get a nice look. So same thing. We're above 585. Room up to 596. If we lose that, it's 580 again. So pretty simple look. We just need to hold 585 for the day. No sweat there. And since we are currently above it in the pre-market, we'll see how it pans out. Look for net flow to be strong if we're going this way on the bullish side, and weaker if we're going to head on down to that 580 first. All right, that's all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.